Welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be completing the bags that I was making. Actually, the only part left is to cover up this part which is left open. The material using here is cotton or hard cardboards, and I'll be covering it with a very simple material. I've actually exhausted the actual material, so I will complete it using a different material from a different source. And I will also continue with these little ones, and I want you to stay till the end, watch how I'll do it. And this is also showing the cardboard is opened, and I want to cover it up, so watch that one too till the end. This is also another one, and then oops, the glue is ultra powerful. Oops. I think it has overheld, and because it has overheld it's very hard to open up. Anyway, the bag is very cute. Alright, so what will I do first? The first thing is I'll give it a big one. So let me put this one aside. I'll place this one over here and this two here. I'll need my scissors, need a bag, and then glue. Access to glue. So keep your eyes on the table, watch till the end. And if you have not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button right down below here so that you can receive any video I post from now onwards. And also click on the notification icon. Let's hop into the video. First, I will fold the sides. I'll put some glue here, and also I'll fold it to a certain level. And I'll put some glue beneath it to hold it, and I'll do same folding for the top here. Now we are done. Alright, so let me do that. Alright, so this one is complete. So the next thing to do is to allow it to stay and dry. When it dries up, it's ready for usage. So I'll keep it aside and give it some time to do that sort thing called drying. to take some few minutes to dry up, and then when it's done, like I said, the bag is 90% ready. All right, so I'll keep this one aside and then raise up another one to the table list. All right, there's another one which I'm working on too as well. Okay, so this one here, we need some couple of material, just a little, not too much. So take my material. Measuring the length. Now mark a length that exceeds the actual length of the letter. Let's say somewhere around here. Yeah, that way. All right, so thank God we have successfully reached the ending of the box, and see that now open, you can see the material. When I open the bag, you can see the material and not the cutting again. That's excellent. That was the aim. It looks like this has to be cut a bit, and using a knife. I'm supposed to do that dissection before. It's very necessary. Stop speaking it. Stop raising the material. This one too here. All right, so that is all for this view. When I open this one, you can see that you can see the material and not the cardboard any longer. I open the simple one here, you see the material and not the cardboard any longer. So I'll take the scissors and trim away this one small. Yeah, this the material has to trim away. And then this one too. Trim away. Alright, that's the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Please hit on the subscribe button right down there below, just down there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't click on the bell icon, please do it right away so that you don't miss any of my videos I post. Honestly, there are more tons of videos that are coming, and they'll be very, very cute and outstanding. I don't want you to miss any of my videos. For that reason, I highly recommend that you click on the subscription button, that red button there, smash it all away. If you haven't yet, smash it. If you've already done that, let it rest. Yes, okay, you leave it, okay. Leave it as it is, gently, so that we can keep moving on as we Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. My salute.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!